At AJ's Tree Removal, every job we do is powered by skill, experience, and trust in one another. From the ground to the top of the canopy, every move is planned, precise, and safe. Our climbers and groundmen work in sync. Communication is everything. We lift, lower, and remove with care, keeping your property safe. It's not just about cutting trees, it's about doing it right as a team. AJ's Tree Removal. Professional, reliable, a team you can trust. Give us a call today, 757-906-4493. Let our team handle the hard work for you. They are the best to ever do it. The customer service is amazing. Jobs are always done on time. Call 757-906-4493 or visit the website